everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yelena and this is Ballet for All. Today we have a great stretching routine down on the floor where we are going to be stretching hamstrings, quadriceps, calves, and right at the end you're going to feel your hips really warm and open up, and we are going to try together our splits. In saying that, make sure to stay until the end, and now let's get to it. Sitting on the floor, we are going to pull the bra forward. You can have your hands in fist position. You're going to slowly walk the way down. We are going to begin by halfway down, just that. And here we're going to begin to stretch hamstrings. We're going to slowly move all the way down. Don't forget to breathe. And keep going down as much as you can. Or you can simply rest on your elbows here, relax your neck, and keep breathing. Recover up, relax shoulders, and let's repeat one more time. Rest on your elbows, relax your neck, and slowly keep breathing and keep moving all the way down as much as you can. We are going to recover and we are going to bend one leg open. We are going to repeat the same. We go slowly down, halfway down to your elbows. Or keep moving all the way down. Recover up. We are going to rest elbow on the floor and we are going to stretch towards the leg that is bent. Breathe. We are going to repeat one more time. Recover up. Now we are going to cross leg and we are going to stretch back, slowly twisting. Keep breathing. Okay, recover to the center, and the same leg that is bent is going to rest over your knee. And we are going to stretch down, and here what we're going to do is to slowly stretch these muscles here. You can use this hand to press your knee down, very gentle. Breathe. And lower down. Now we can recover up. We are going towards our toes. And with each breath, keep going and lowering chest down. We recover up and we are going to change leg. Bend knee, open. Try to keep your hips square facing the leg that you have stretched in front. And we are going to lower chest down. Relax your neck. Don't forget to breathe. Recover up and let's do some stretch to the side. Relax, breathe. One more time. Recover up, cross leg, twist, and keep breathing. Okay, recover forward. Rest your leg over your knee and slowly, gentle press down with your arm while your torso is lowering slowly down. Relax your neck, keep breathing. And recover up. Legs together, we are gonna flex toes, reach for your toes, and you're going to pull back and stretch calf. A gentle stretch, please. Open chest. And leave your toes flexed and try to slowly go down. Can you feel your calves stretching? Recover up, and we are going to bend one leg back and we are going to stretch our quadriceps now. So lower down. You can either go all the way down, or if it's too painful, you can just go and rest on your elbows and don't forget to breathe. If this position is okay, again, you can lower all the way down. Avoid your back from arching, rather engage core muscles and press back down, and then you're gonna feel the good stretch on your quadriceps. Feel your hips pressing down, core muscles engage, and try to avoid this arch. We are going to recover up slowly. And we are going forward. And now you're going to feel your hamstring really stretching. We recover up. We are going to continue working with this leg, and what we are going to do, you're going to bend leg on your knee, you're going to rest on your back, and you're going to take one hand inside your leg and the other one outside. Flex and press knee back with your elbow. This position I stretch lots, either my hips, my hamstring. Yeah, my hamstring does it. Try to press knee to your chest. Whew. And lower down. And now we're going to change to the other leg. Change leg. Bend back. Down. One more time. Your stretch, you should be feeling it in your quadriceps, okay? So if you're feeling somewhere else, just go back, arrange the position, and lower down. Or go all the way down. Feel the stretch on your quadriceps. Press hip down, core muscles. We're going to recover slowly and carefully up. Go all the way forward. Breathe one more time and lower down. We're going to recover up. We are going to keep the same bend knee, now resting on your knee. We lower back, hand inside, other hand from the outside. Bend your leg, and with this elbow, use it to press knee back, while you press this knee towards your chest. Okay, we recover up, and now we are going to find a chair or a wall, something to help you to support your body weight, and we are going to do a lunge position. The main position to focus here is to keep a straight line between your heel and your knee. The rest, it's fine. If you cannot go all the way down, you can just come up and use the wall to support your body weight or help you to find your balance. Feel your hips stretching and opening. That's a great stretch. Now we are going to bend back knee, lift up. You can either keep your toes flexed or you can point your toes, but now you're going to try to keep your hips facing forward and lower down. This is stretching for your quadriceps. You may feel here really hard. Keep that position. Okay, so carefully lower your leg back, transfer body weight over that knee, and slowly start breathing in and lower chest when breathing out. One more time. And here we are going to feel the stretch on our calves. Slowly recover up, change your body weight over the front leg, and we are going to change to the side lunge. Gentle stretch, don't press too much. I'm going to change to the other side. Ooh. Okay, we change to lunge position. Remember, straight line between your knee, your heel. Keep this position for a little bit. Feel your thigh and your hips stretching. So good. Now we are going to bend back knee. And try your best to stay facing forward, okay? Okay, lower down, shift your body weight back, and remember, breathe in and lower the weight down, slowly. One last time, breathe in. Feel stretching in your hamstrings, calves. Recover forward. Let's change to side lunge. Feel your hips opening and stretching. Change. Next stretch is going to be for our backs. So what we're going to do, legs in parallel with your feet at the same length of your hips, And now you're going to open hands by your side, and we are going to drop knee to one side, and we are going to face opposite. You're going to breathe. And slowly change to the other side. Don't forget to look to the opposite side of the legs. One more time. Change. Change. Next, we are going to stretch one leg. We're going to bring this knee to our chest. Press. Open to the side. Bring back to your chest. And now we are going to bring knee inside, and we are going to look to the opposite direction. Feel the nice twist on your back. Don't forget to breathe. And relax. Recover up. And change leg. Bend knee to your chest. Press. Open to the side. Bring back to your chest. And drop knee down, and we are going to look to the opposite direction. Recover up. And now we are going to do splits. Sitting on your knee, you're going to open right leg in front of you, hands by your side, and you're going slowly sliding down to the split. Now I'm joking. What we're going to do, hands on the hips, open one leg in front of you, hands by your side, and slowly slide down until you feel pain. If you feel pain, just stop right there. Keep that position. Breathe. And go all the way down. Bend your front knee. Bring your back leg in front. And stand up. Using your heel and transferring your body weight over your leg. And next, well, you already have your left leg in front. Open in front of you. Bring your hands by your side and start to slide forward. Slowly, take your time. And now, middle split. For middle split, we're going to be here. We are going to open. Nah, I'm joking again. So middle split, you're basically going to open your legs and use your hands to bring you to your maximum split. Go up, 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 and just do your front split.